The damaging wind of 100 to 120 km per hour can be expected over interior district of North Odisha like Mayurbhanj, and also the adjoining interior districts like Paschim Medinapur, Jhargram, Purulia of West Bengal. Along West Bengal coast, we can have the wind speed of 100 to 120 km per hour, gusting 130 km per hour over Purb Medinipur and South Infur Pargana till evening of today. Thereafter it will decrease. Over Balasore and Bhadrak district of Odisha, the maximum wind will be realized and is being realized now 130 to 140, gusting to 150 kilometers per hour. To the south of these two districts, Kendrapada and the Jagatsinghpur districts, winds are relatively less. Over Keonjhar and adjoining districts of North Interior Odisha, there could be wind speed of 60 to 90 kilometers per hour as the cyclone will be moving northwestwards after the completion of landfall towards Jharkhand.